Hi, I'm Eric Smith with Bay-Yacht Agency. Today I'm going to talk about the new Lipari Evolution. The boat is going to be introduced at the Annapolis Boat Show for the first time in North America. It features some outstanding improvements over previous models. We're going to look at some of these features in just a moment. The boat that we'll have at the show is the popular 3-cabin owner's version with the whole starboard wing devoted to an owner. The head on this version is all the way forward with a large shower and room for a washer-dryer forward. There's more storage, more hanging space in this model. The boat is also available in a 4-cabin, 2-head version, which is preferred by many of the charter companies, or as a 4-cabin, 4-head version. The choices are all up to you. You'll find the Lipari an ideal platform for a family or a group of 3 or 4 couples. The cockpit is unusually large, and the new Evolution model features the wide opening door and the flat floors that transit from the interior to the cockpit, which is common to all of the models. There's a hard bimini, and the helm station, which is also the control station, is at deck level, so that the helmsman not only can run the boat from here, especially with the electric winch, but he can help catch a line and be served from the cockpit either drinks or food. The new galley arrangement has a cabinet that's over in the corner now, which gives us more counter space, and that's accompanied by the Corian countertops and again the wide opening door and window that goes aft. So when you're sitting inside, you can see all the way around. We now have 2 refrigerator drawers, so you don't have to stand on your head to get down there. And the boat now features all LED lighting all the way around the boat, inside and also the running lights. So it's very easy on the batteries. With our new Ray Marine instruments that are interfaced so that you can have your iPad or even iPhone interfaced with Bluetooth, you can control the boat and see your charts from the helm station or from the dining table in the cockpit or inside the boat, and you have 360-degree visibility all the way around. The owner's cabin features a queen-size berth for the owners and lots of extra storage and cabinet space. We put air conditioning in all the cabins, and there's fans also. The forward cabins are almost as large, but feature large berths and a door leading into a forward single compartment, which is optional. The head on the owner's version again has the separate shower all the way forward, but all the heads are very accommodating, and in the 2-head or even the 3-head version, you have separate showers in all the heads. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the technical aspects, so you might want to be ready to pause the video at any of these slides so that you can read some of the detail that you'll see there. Fountaine Pajots have always been preferred by private owners. They have better load carrying ability and better performance than boats that are designed primarily as charter boats. In a nutshell, we've achieved an excellent balance between volume and performance. Good load carrying and good performance with lighter, stronger boats and more sail area. A heavy boat creates the vicious circle. Heavier boats need heavier equipment, which makes them heavier, which they just go round and round, and you end up with poor performance. All of the Fountaine Pajots, compared to the competition, which are primarily charter boats, feature these good performing boats. We're prepared to help you with owning or chartering. We have our famous Business Yacht Ownership plan, and you have choices of where you want to place the boats, or even you follow the sun. Our sales associates will be happy to tell you more about business yacht ownership, and we have seminars going on during the boat show and webinars after the boat show, as well as live seminars at our open houses. We also have a great article called Good Cat, Bad Cat, which is an article and a video, and it explains the difference between a regular boat and a boat that is really designed for offshore and liveaboard sailing. So we look forward to meeting you, perhaps at an open house, or just call us anytime. We're right on the harbor in Annapolis, right across from where the boat show is. And Sally and I would be happy to answer your questions anytime. On our website, you'll find several popular videos and articles on some of the key features of our catamarans.